Satalpaturnamotaya Kaloyam iti vihvalaha Shutigrahanagatunam Prasakham muktamurdhvajaha. Kamsa immediately got up from the bed thinking, here is Kal, the supreme time factor which has taken birth to kill him. Thus overwhelmed, Kamsa, his hair scattered on his head, at once approached the place where the child has been born. So there is a difference between how devotees and the non-devotees see the Lord. The example is of a classroom. There is one child who is obedient, is relating to the teacher, is making notes, is hearing very attentively. He has a lot of love and affection for the teacher. So there is one student like that. And the teacher is happy with his sincerity, determination. He is also feeling very happy. And he is enjoying the relationship with the teacher. He is eager for the next class. He is very happy to do assignments, homework given by the teacher. This is one. There is another student. So this person sees the teacher every moment. He relates to the teacher every moment. He has very loving exchange with the teacher every moment. So whole life he sees the teacher and he remembers the teacher. That is an example, not life, but he is studying in the college. The another student doesn't do what the teacher says. Doesn't come for the class, doesn't make notes, doesn't do homework, doesn't do assignment. And in the class makes noise. And the teacher says, get out. So he only sees that Kala. What is the representation of the teacher he sees? Get out. He sees only the power of the teacher, but he is never able to relate to the teacher. So there are two kinds of students. So similarly, there are two kinds of people in this world. One kind of people, whole life, they are chanting the name of Krishna. They are experiencing the sweetness in the name of Krishna. We have only one enemy, our own mind. We don't have any other enemy. We imagine enemies. Oh, because of him I am not happy. Because of him I am disturbed. That's your problem. Everybody should be happy. The process given of Krishna consciousness, chanting the holy name. So sweet. That's your problem. If you're not chanting properly, it's not others' problem. It's your problem. You're not hearing. When you don't hear, where there is a taste. Correct? It's our problem. So we do not surrender to Krishna. We do not chant the names of the Lord Krishna properly. Surrender means what? Obey. I love Krishna. What's your devotee means? What does the devotee mean? Devotee means he obeys. First principle of devotion of obedience. So he is obeying Krishna. Then as he obeys Krishna, Krishna is satisfied. Then the loving exchange starts. Not that, oh, you come to the temple, oh, it's a fantastic pujari. But then nothing is in time, nothing is in order, nothing is clean. What is the pujari? Correct? So we don't accept. So there has to be some obedience to the first principle of love. So we see that. So there is one devotee who is constantly engaged, with all energy, enthusiasm serving Krishna. And he gets mercy of Krishna. And he feels so glad and happy. And is reciprocating more. And offering more and more service. And more Krishna gives him mercy. Mercy means so many spiritual realizations, spiritual happiness, spiritual understanding. He is getting everything. And there is another person who doesn't care what Krishna says. And he sees, like Kamsa, the Lord as death. At time of death, oh, and he tries to fight with death. Sometimes the doctor, I'll give you some money, extend my life for 1 more year. Like this, like he just want to fight. Like a teacher who says, get out. Now when he says get out, whole life he doesn't care about God. At that time, he becomes fearful. Therefore Prabhupada said they go to places of worship. If God willing, they speak all those things at that time.